The formula bar is the formula box located at the top of the Excel worksheet. This formula bar functions to bring up formulas in performing calculations in Excel. The way to display or remove the formula bar in an Excel worksheet is very easy, and for sure all of your friends already know it. First, open the Excel 2007 worksheet. Then select the View menu. On the View menu, there are several commands in it. To display and remove the formula bar, friends, please check the box that says Formula Bar to appear, whereas if you want to remove it, please remove the check by clicking the small box again. That's all for my tutorial on this occasion entitled How to Show and Remove the Formula Bar in Microsoft Excel 2007. I hope friends will get some knowledge from this tutorial. Don't forget to check out our other recent tutorials. Good luck!